Yo! Oh, I see a little doggy. I see a little doggy.
I wanted to go around the long way. I know. Oh, that! The empanada place. Yeah, we need to try that out. It was a beautiful day.
School's not out yet.
Okay.
Finally, we're moving. Oof. Let's do a little splooshy sploosh. Splooshy. Look at all the pretty flowers. Flowers for days, flowers for days. Well, why'd you wave me on? God, I hate that. Thank you.
That's twice. That's twice. Oh well. I handled that pretty well though. I didn't hit the curb. I had to. I know, because you're cool.
Whee! Oh, hey! Woo! This car, this vehicle, like what? The speed's 35, not 25.
I like this route. It's scenic. Life's good. Life's good. It's like count the blue cars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Will there be more? They look backwards. They look backwards.
God damn. Go. Oh, hey! Not ready to go home yet.
It's a gift and post now. Used to be a dance supply store. That's where I got my point shoes when I did a little bit of ballet. Still have them somewhere. Can't wear them though, unless I want to really kill my foot.
Okay.
Okay, whatever that was. Bird. Bird, 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 bird.
Let's see what shenanigans we're gonna see on this stretch. Oh, hey, buddy. Yay! He warned us of cops. I want one to pull me over and ask how fast this thing goes. I've been dying to say it.
The plane, the moon, bird, the bird, the bird, bird's the word.
Hello, big truck. Okay. He didn't bother waving. That is fine. I wave though. I still care.